1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, Shein Empire _ and Facebook, Shein Empire, TikTok, Shein Empire. Guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a Shein haul. Okay, that's what I'll be doing today. Remember to like up the video, okay? Alright,
Mom, catch!
oh yo, yes, this is my Shein box just arrived, guys. Yup, look at it, it's as big as my head. Let's dig into it right now. Ooh. Excited. It's less than $200. Oh my god. Oh I got something for someone and I'm not gonna put it here. This is so much stuff. I just have to oh my god. I gotta try this on! It looks so cute. Look at this. Can you see this? This is for $17. I love it so much. Like, I just see myself looking so sexy in this one. This is a nice little dress. The material is really nice. Oh my god. Oh, just see me this little thing here. And all of these are small. I'm so freaking excited to try all of these little. Let me tell you something, say. This is, yo, the material feels good. This feels so good. Oh, Jesus. I know, guys, I know you can't wait to see me trying all of this. And let me tell you, the next video that will be dropping, you're gonna see me in these stuff. So this is like 3 suits so far, and we have a long way to go. This is a bot suit. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my days, this is so cute. This is so cute. I'm so much, yo, like the quality is really good. So I'm gonna try, like, I'm gonna do the bath suit in a different video. You know, it's summertime, and this is a high waist. It's a brief high waist. I'm happy so far with my bag. I get a lot of bathing suits. I gotta do a video in all of these. Listen, the material, like, honestly, I'm surprised with the price. The material, they are so good. Like, I was expecting like some flimsy, cheap material, but they're really good. This is a nightwear. So all of these gonna be a different. Gonna see me in a separate videos. But then they're so freaking cute. Oh my god. This is the next bathing suit also. Oh my days. I'm still like me. It's just so much. So I saw this. This is a dress with a little top, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is too cute. Look at this. Wow, I love it. I love this. This is a dress. This is a mix. This looks too big for me. Oh my freaking gosh. I know this can't fit me. Look at the crotch. Oh shit, this can't fit me. And so small, like, oh my god, this is, no. This one. Show me that, show me. Love that skirt suit, yeah. This is the next suit also. So this is the next bad suit. I waist small. No girl, I come out with this one, right? Guys, if you make it through this far, please guys, remember to like up the video. Share it out here. Please and thank you very much. I Shein the thing there right now. Right, guys? So Shein something. And this is a romper. I always like romper. Like, I'm always love a good romper, and this material is fantastic. I love it. Yeah. One of my favorite when I was ordering stuff. So this is a 3-piece. This is the bikini, and this is the top. And this is a cover up. This is so sexy. I can't wait to show you guys what it look like on me, but it's nice. Oh. So I love this so much. And this is a skirt. I just love flare skirt, like it just make you look so sexy. I just love me a flare skirt, and I love the material. The color is just more. Yeah, I love it. I love them all. I'm happy with my bag. And Shein, I think this is a set, a silk. It's a silk set. I think I got these for my daughter. Yeah, these are not mine. I got these silk sets for my daughter. They're night wear. These are shorts. Yeah. Let me open one and let you guys see what it's like. And I think I got both of these for like $16. They're cute. $16 for both of them. I know she's gonna love them because she didn't know I ordered them for her, so she's gonna feel excited too. And this is the last thing in the box. remember what. Oh, okay. Okay. This is an ex romper. I like this, but I'm not sure about the strap, if they're gonna break. So no, I can't put this in the washing machine to wash. Gotta unwash this one. But it's nice. But for some reason this don't look like a small. No, I ordered just, it's a medium. I knew it. It's so big for me. I'm no longer a medium. And I did not order this for my daughter. I ordered this for me. And it's a medium. This can't fit me. Well, I guess I gotta give it to her. But anyway, guys, I'm so happy with my buy. Oh, this is for, all of this stuff is for under $200. And I'm proud with this buy. I'm super happy. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn your post notification on, so whenever time I post a video, you will be notified. And also, guys, remember to follow me on all my social media platforms: Facebook Shein Empire, and Instagram Shein Empire _ and TikTok Shein Empire. Guys, follow me, like up my video, share it out. Until next time, I'm out. Bye, kings and queens. Love you. Mwah.